Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to navigate from one screen to another. Okay, so this is the basic layout. Please watch my previous tutorial for the more information. Column, children, here I am going to add an elevated button. On press and I'm going to add child text. Navigate. Okay, so I'm going to create another file in the library. It's called screen 2 dot. So here I am going to import material app. Material data. So next I am going to add a minute. Here we have to add semicolon right here. Now we have to add a stateful widget. Here I am going to add screen 2. In this I am going to add another scaffold. Inside that I am going to add an AppBar. Title text screen 2 and here a semicolon. Inside body I'm going to add a column children, and here I'm going to add text. This is screen 2, right? So we have to navigate from first screen to second screen. For that we have to use navigator dot of context dot push. Inside that MaterialPageRoute, we have to pass the context, and here we have to pass the hyphen. We have to call this screen 2. Right? Here we have to add a semicolon. If we save this, we can navigate from one screen to another. We click this. See, there is an error. Let me see. Unavailable or inline main.html. We have to remove this. Okay. Navigate. See, we have reached the screen 2. Since we have given push, we have got back button. If we give push replacement, we won't get the back button. It's similar like a stack. See, we don't get the back button, right? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.